You want to develop your strategic plan with a team of people because you will develop a better plan when you're getting different points of view. And I'll talk about team development as part of the process. Now, let's get into it. The tension triangle. This is team development. When you develop your team, get people from different aspects of your business. I know you're smaller businesses, but you'll have people who are mainly focused on the customers. You've got people who are more operationally or service-oriented. You've got financial, more of your administration, and I know many of you wear many hats. But get people with different points of view because your strategy will be much better because they'll be sharing these points of view. And that normal tension between the salespeople, the service people, the operations people, they'll be able to understand more about what it is the other person's problems are, and you'll find more consensus as you go on. You'll find you will tend to be less in the referee role